Hbar holders, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Thank you for all your support, day in, day out. I cannot thank you guys enough. Continue supporting and you will see a continuation of these daily Hbar updates. But, as far as the market is concerned, I made a market analysis update. If you did end up watching it, you guys know exactly what's happening. But in this specific update, we're going to take a look at Hbar specifically and understand what's happening. Market is all over the place at this point, especially over the last 24 to 48 hours. It has been all over the place, and a lot of volatility. But yeah, if you're looking at it right now as of recording this update, Hbar is up 6.4%. One of the top gainers, which of course is always nice to see. Price of Hbar is making its way back up to 24 cents if you were to round it up, and also up 5.3% in Bitcoin comparative. Now that we have that out of the way, in terms of valuation itself, $10 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about 871.5 million. But before we get into any further though, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So as far as the dominance is concerned, dominance has been picking up over the last 24 to 48 hours. We're still quite high, despite the fact that Bitcoin has gone up today, because there are conversations about a potential, and again, a potential drop to tariffs, and again, that could be the major cause as to why you're seeing Bitcoin kind of making its way up. But remember, manipulation yesterday was absolutely insane. So there is going to come a time where you do see the market bouncing. And we saw that $81,000 price point really play out for us. So you can see this for yourself. BTC made its way down to $81,657. Did not last too long. And back up, to the likes of $89,000. Obviously, we did not last too long around that range. Seeing a little bit of a minor pullback, but nice bounce. But as far as the broader market is concerned, in terms of getting excited or jumping around, I still think we need more confirmation. We need the price of Bitcoin to go back into 23.6 at the least before we can start getting excited. But remember, the big meeting is coming up on Friday. A lot of people are excited about this. A lot of people speculating within the Hbar community that maybe we're going to see the likes of Donald Trump or the Trump administration come and add more assets to the crypto reserve, which of course was announced on Sunday by Donald Trump. Right now, it currently consists of Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, Cardano, as well as Solana, Cardano, and XRP. So, of course, a lot of rumors flying around that, Hbar is going to be part of the list. We'll see. We'll see right now. But is that really the reason why you're seeing Hbar, looking better than majority of the market right now? Potentially. Let's give it a refresh live and really come and take a look at Hbar's price. So, Hbar made its way down to the likes of 22 cents yesterday. Obviously, did not last too long, but making its way up to 25 cents a few hours back, but seeing a retracement. Speaking about the retracement, remember that consolidation phase? That exact same consolidation, major rejections as we were heading towards the upside, is now coming in a little bit of a level of support. But the price of Hbar is where you want to see it sitting at, though, to be quite frank with you, especially above this key resistance, which we are currently at. And if this is really able to close, if we're able to close our daily candle here, we could actually start heading towards this 27 cents. But speaking about the 27 cents, guys, if you are a part of Hbar, you really need to understand the importance of this key resistance. It's extremely important for the price of Hbar to be back above this key resistance. If it's able to stay above here, I do believe Hbar could even go up to the likes of a new yearly high. That's how important the zone really is, because look at it. Last time, once we broke out of this resistance, we pretty much held through this range until obviously that major drop in February for the entire market, which of course invalidated everything. But right now, Hbar is showing strength once again. And I really do believe it's able to reclaim back above this key resistance. And let's say, we do hear an announcement of a potential, Hbar being added to the, crypto reserve. Then I think, Hbar could actually make its way up to the likes of the 38.2 quite fast. We could actually be in for a yearly high for Hbar if that is intended to be announced. So right now, obviously, it's still up in the air. We're still speculating, but I have no doubts that, if that really were to happen, we do see Hbar making its way up to the likes of that 40 cents, about a 70% move. And now you guys are probably scratching your head saying, Crypto ZX, why would that even happen? Remember, valuation standpoint, Hbar is currently at about 10 billion. If you were to look at, the entire market, let's kind of take a look at the entire market right now. Where is it? CoinGecko. Look at Cardano. This is what I wanted to show you guys. Cardano literally had a jump of almost double once that was announced. So what makes us think that, Hbar can't do that? Let's look at it from a realistic standpoint. I personally think Hbar goes back up to this range towards a yearly high, potentially even into the 23.6, a level that we've been speaking about since we broke out of this major key resistance. But while we wait for that, you don't want to neglect Bitcoin's price. Bitcoin is not at the safe zone, regardless of, Bitcoin price picking up right now. We want Bitcoin to be back in the 23.6. We want the dominance to start pulling down. But I'll keep you guys covered. Let me know down below what you guys think. We'll see you later. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.